Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone, I'm Muya Saro from English Literature Study Program, Dian Nusantara University. Honorable Ms. Putri as my lecturer of this seminar proposal. Now I will present my research by the title Materialistic Tendency in Thai Families, an analysis of how to make millions before grandma dies 2024 through sociological literary approach. There is the object research. The object of this research is materialistic tendency in Thai families, as depicted in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, 2024. The study used a sociological literary approach with Alan Switchwood's theory to analyze how materialistic values are reflected in the narrative and characters of the film. The main objectives are: the first, to identify the narrative structure that represents materialism through the characters in the film. And then the second, to analyze how the materialistic tendency in the film reflects Thai families in a socio-cultural context. The background of the study in this research: the first is definition and function of literary works. Literary works are ideas or concepts that contain social and cultural values, both in written form and other media. Through literary works, I convey views on human life in social and environmental interactions. And then there is film as a literary work. Film is a form of modern literature that conveys stories through moving image and sound. Films can entertain, educate, and offer intense emotional experiences, giving viewers a closeness to the world they portray. Then there is sociology of literature in the film. Sociology of literature studies the relationship between literary works and society, including how works reflect or influence social structures, culture, and ideology. In films can reflect social conflict, values, and norms that exist in society. Then there is materialism in social perspective. Materialism is a view of life that emphasizes the value of material things as a source of happiness and social status. Materialistic people tend to measure success based on the ownership of goods and often experience anxiety and dissatisfaction because they focus too much on external goals. Then the movie analysis, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. This film tells the story of a grandson who takes care of his dying grandmother in order to fulfill his dream. But with materialistic motivations, using the approach of literary sociology, Alan Switchwood's theory, to reveal social conflict reflected to materialistic tendencies in Thai families. Then, the research objectives explores how materialistic values influence social behavior and interaction in the film. Provides new insight into the relationship between materialism and social and cultural realities of modern society. Then, topic relevance. Why I choose this topic? Because this topic is relevant to the phenomenon of materialism in today's society and has not been widely researched before. Then, there is the formulation of the problem. I write two kinds of formulation of the problem for this research. The first, how does the narrative structure represent materialism through the characters in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies? Then there's the second, how does the materialistic tendency described in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies reflect Thai families? The theories or concept used in this research, using a sociological literary approach based on Alan Switchwood theory. Then use narrative structure to represent materialism through the characters. The research method used a qualitative descriptive approach used to analyze materialistic tendency in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, 2024. Using a sociological literary approach based on Alan Switchwood's theory, which connects literary works with social reality. The data search I found, there are two kinds. The first is primary data from the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, including narrative, dialogue, character interactions, storylines, and visualization. And also there is supporting data as literature, academy articles, sociology of literary theories, and relevant previous research. The temporary hypothesis about the research: the materialistic tendency in Thai families depicted in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, 2024, reflect socioeconomic pressures and changing cultural values in modern Thai society. This affects relationships between family members, replacing intrinsic values such as affection and sacrifice with a priority on material possessions and social status. This hypothesis is based on an analysis of narrative elements in the film, such as plot, characters and characterization, themes, and setting, as well as Alan Switchwood's sociological theory of literature that links literary works and social reality. Thus, before I close this present, I will give the conclusion for my research. The study identified and analyzed the materialistic tendencies in Thai families depicted in the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, 2024, using Alan Switchwood's sociology of literature approach. It was found that materialistic values are the main drivers of family conflict in the film. They replace intrinsic values such as affection and sacrifice with a priority on material possessions and social status. The representation of materialism in the film reflects socioeconomic pressures and changes in cultural values in modern Thai society. The narrative, characters and characterization, themes and setting in the film illustrate how materialistic tendency affect relationship between family members, create conflict, and challenge traditional values. The study makes a theoretical contribution to the development of sociological literary theory by showing how literature, in this case film, can reflect and critique social reality. Practically, the study provides readers and viewers with insight into the impact of materialism on social and family relationships, and the importance of balancing material aspiration with intrinsic values in life. That's all from me. Thank you. Good evening.